gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning from beautiful, beautiful New York. We are in New York City with the fam bam today. Oh, say morning Fibs. Hey. Look at them. Say morning. Say morning, Ty. They're living their best life. You guys, we are in the city today. We are doing a little tourism today. We are going to explore the Rockerfeller Center. So we want to go on top and
you have the
so we want to go on top.
Empire State.
Oh, this one?
The antenna on top.
Okay. So we are at between 32 and 32nd and 33rd Street. We're at the Empire State Building right now. So the Empire State is this one right here. And there it goes. I can't recall. I think I've come here past here once. But it's good to get a refresher of what it is. And of course, baby's giving Tyler the history of it all. So we just got here. It's early in the morning. It's some minutes to 10, and today is gonna be a hot day. So we plan for the day. We have water, we dress lights, colors, and we're gonna go out to have a good day. So yeah, we're in the city, the typical New York, all the sounds, all the feels, all the yellow taxis, all the vibe about New York that I love. So if you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Catch up and keep up with us, and make sure you catch all the vlogs that we upload Mondays to Fridays. Don't miss them. So yeah, we are in the city and we're gonna take you guys around with us to explore. We're gonna take you guys around with us to explore the city today. So let's go, New York City. Yeah.
That's cool. I don't know if
But you have to come with your rocket and your ball.
Well, that's it. Cool.
That's funny. And maybe it belong to the game shop. So here we are scrolling through the city in the early morning. And when you're in New York, you see everything and everybody. Yes, Tyler. What race?
Do all the stairs at Rockerfeller.
Oh, hell no. Not at all. We'll do elevator, not the stairs, my love.
Stairs. Like that is exercise.
Okay, we'll see. You know how many stairs are at Rockefeller Center?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's a lot.
He's too funny. Anyway, you guys. So like I was saying, in New York, you see everything. Police controlling traffic. I need my sunglasses, babe. Trying to walk from 32nd Street to 50th Street, where the Rockefeller Center is. Can you imagine that? In this heat. Well, it's early morning, so it's not that bad. But let's see how far I'll make it to before I tap out. Or I'll make the entire way. We'll see. But it's a good exercise, so let's do it. outside waiting to see you. You guys know we love Jimmy Fallon. If you don't know now, you know. So this is where it is. And the Tonight Show is here. And the Late Night Show with Seth Meyers is here. Tyler loves Jimmy Fallon. He loves the music. Hey, 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 hey. We are now passing Radio City Music Hall in New York City. Always hear it, listen, see a lot of talks about Radio City on social media. Now I know where it is. We're in the line waiting to buy our tickets to go to the top of the Rockerfeller Center right now. So yeah, look at my gray hair though. Honey, is this gray hair or white, some white in my head? It's gray hair?
I know what you're talking about.
This is good.
Look how white it is. Girl. It's giving you statistics along the way. Styla, get out of the way. It says you see 13,437 taxis. Oh my God. Stand amongst over 237 skyscrapers. Okay. Look at this. That's how the top of the Rockefeller looked when they were constructing it. Come back, Mama. Come back to Mama. Come. Must launch atop the skyscraper photograph was taken on September 2019, 32 here at the 38 Rockefeller Plaza. So it was lunchtime here.
Especially now.
Yeah? There's a TV.
My ears popping like the airplane. This is the top of the elevator, you guys. Look at that. Look at Sarah. Sarah, pretty? Wow.
It is too good.
Okay. So we're at the top.
Wow.
Wow. Sarah said wow. So which towers are these tall ones that I'm looking at? They look new? Okay, damn, is that one building on the top of it? Wow, so what's that we're seeing in the middle? Central Park?
Central Park. This is Central.
Okay, that's Central Park, the greenery. No, Central Park is in front of you, Ty, directly in front of you.
Central Park Tower.
I don't know, Ty.
I think
Yes, this is it.
Well, you're right. Papa say yes. Oh, the map is there. We're at the top. Well, not at the top yet. We still have some further. We're gonna walk it up. Yes?
that tower that's in front of us is the
West 53rd.
What's the one that's not? Yes,
It's big. Wow. Baby's avoiding the edge. He can't manage the edge. He can't look over. Look at him. He's staying his distance. he can't do heights like that, but he loves the adventure, so he'll stay at distance and look. Poor babe. We soon go there. We soon go there. You can see the taxis and the cars slowly moving down. You can see through this little hole here. You can
cars
see
are
them
so
here.
little. I didn't expect the cars to be so little.
Because you're all the way up. Okay, so we're at 67. We're gonna try and go to the top right now. So let's see how that will go with the husband. Ready? Okay, the Empire State is here. Wow. What a beauty. Down there, you can see all the cars in the streets. Wow.
c'est la plus grande de New York.
Wow. MetLife. So this is another point of view from the top, from the 67. There we go. This art section is so pretty. And there's a taxi on the shake. Living the best city life. So this is the tower we just came out of, you guys. Looking up, it feels like it's gonna fall on me. Wow. You guys, look at this church. It reminds me of a church in France. Reminds me of some kind of European cathedral. Reminds me of the one in Nice too. It's beautiful and it's huge. Go. Hmm?
Look at the USA flag.
Yeah.
Yep.
US Department building.
He just said, Mama, I know what NYPD mean. What NYPD mean?
And New York Police the department.
Oh, you know that. Who tell you?
Before at New York, I had saw a car with NYPD on it. It was a police car.
Mm-hmm.
So when I saw NY, I know that NY mean New York because I know that NYC mean New York City. So I
Okay.
just pick up the sign and make New York. P. And I thought it was a police car. P. But I didn't know it was a department. So I just looked around and beside it I saw a police station. So and on it had written New
It's
York
so
Police
funny.
Department. So I knew that.
Very good. Mr. Trump's tower is this black one in front of me. This big one here is the boss tower. The crazy man's tower. Donald Trump's tower right in front of me. The black standout, just like the owner. We just stopped and buy corn dog for the kids. Why is so dark? And hot dog for the adults. How's it, babe?
It's good. The sausage is good.
Listen, there's just something about New York City hot dog on the street. It just tastes special. It just tastes so good. It's so yummy. So we're eating. We're going across the street to get sushi because it's so hot. And then we're going to hang out in Central Park. So that's what's up, y'all, in the streets. Now we're getting some smoothies to cool us down. We're getting the number 13. This one looks so good. And then we're getting the tropical up there.
Yeah, good.
So good. $10 for one. It's worth it. Look how big it is. So yummy. In Central Park, chilling, and Sarah is hunting squirrel. Look, Sarah is coming down. See me here. Look. Come around. Come around. Come. Come. She see another one. She's gone after him. Oh my God. She gone after the squirrel. Look at this one right here in the tree. Hello, little friend. There he is. Hi, you gorgeous. Yes. Come, let me show you one. See one there. Look. This girl's running from her. He's gone back up in the tree. He's gone. He's hiding. He's in the treetop. He's up in the tree. This place is so hot. I took off my hat. My ear is itching. I need to pull my hair out. We're chilling in Central Park. Resting.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Sharks are some of the most ancient animals.
I was visioning the kid running everywhere in the park.
Oh no, look at them. One run here and the other one run here. I guess if they have a ball, they would be running. But I just need to lay down and we forget our towel. So we're just using the little towel that we have. But we're just relaxing. So nothing really much to do apart from rest. Here blowing in the wind kind of vibe. Look at her. Her little happy face. We're still in Central Park, but we now move to the kids section in the park. They have the water on out here in quite a few sections because it is hot, scorching, super hot. Here waiting on one of my girls. I like to call her my little traveler. Alicia is one of those persons who loves to travel on her own. You name it, she's been there. Alicia was here in the same park when I did my meet and greet here in New York 3 years ago, and we have kept in close contact since. And I'm in Central Park and she's close by, so she's just dropping by to see us for a little bit, chit chat, and then she's Jamaican too, and then we're heading to another location. So the kids are over there on the swing at Papa. So I am waiting on Alicia to come. It's in between the building. It's the next part. I see her. She coming. Can you see her modeling coming in with her fine self? Good workout. Good workout. Good workout. Look at her with her fine self. Look at her.
Yeah,
Look at her. Hey, 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 hey. Oh,
The fam bam!
oh my God, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. My little traveler.
Yeah,
My little traveler. How are you? You guys, Look at Sarah fall asleep on the swing. This is what you call living your best life. Look at her. Hey, you're sleeping, Mama? You tired? Sarah? She's a little trickster, you know? She's not fully sleeping. Huh? What you say? You tired? You want to go in a stroller? You want to swing? She said no swing. She's not sleeping. And every little corner have one of these. You can't go hungry, you can't go thirsty when you're going through the city. No matter what time of the night you're going through New York, you have a food somewhere. Who is that guy? Who is this? Who is this? No, the other one. Yes, the boss. The boss. You saw King Kong. So you guys, we're scrolling through the city with my tour guide. We have a personal tour guide today. So Alicia telling us about all the little spots throughout the city, in the streets. We're walking to Times Square, going to hunt cheesecake. We're going to hunt cheesecake at a good spot. So I'll tell you guys how that go when we get there. I don't think I'm gonna eat mine today anyway. Probably later in the evening. But yes, Tyler take over Alicia fully. He ditched me and Papa. But anyway guys, we're in the streets scrolling. It's them. But look how she's sexy. Watch Goody. Really? Tyler, what's written on his butt? Ty, what's written on his butt? Naked cowboy. But Jesus, look at the two girls. Oh my God.
20 odd years ago.
Wow. That's too funny. Babe. They are naked man. Oh my God, yes.
Let me ask you. You're the original naked cowboys. I remember you for like Jimmy Jones years. So you've been out here for a minute. This is my first friends. I saw them.
24 years.
Wow. Hey.
Oh, I know what you babies.
Hey. Yes. All right. All right.
Hey, I'm in there for the long haul, man.
All right. Oh my God. He's so cool. Yes, he's singing Baby Shark for you. Tyler, run away.
You missed all that look.
He was watching. Watching from afar. Baby, we don't want to picture the naked man.
Me in the pictures and you?
Uh-huh. Oh my God. Right, right.
Mama, this has a good one that had shaped their bottom naked.
Huh?
This has a good one that had shaped their bottom
You
naked.
saw girl shaking the naked bottom?
Yes. We could see his bottom.
Ooh, honey. You hear Tyler? Tyler say he saw two girls shaking the naked bottom.
As we can Island, New York.
Oh my God. Yes, Ty, that's your first rodeo, don't worry. You'll see many more shaking bottoms in your lifetime. That was funny.
Yes, I'm naked.
Tell us that was funny and naked. Oh my God. Juniors. Ah. Okay, so this is where my sister-in-law told us that Oh, it's a bakery. Look, it's here.
You want to sit down and you can order to go.
What are we doing?
We can see.
Remember we have to reach Anika by 5, huh?
It's not even 4.
Okay, cool. So let's sit then. Yes. So we made it to Junior's and we're gonna have cheesecake with the crew. Look at them doing puzzle. Huh? Wow, look at that. Yes. So this is the red velvet cheesecake. This is the apple crumb cheesecake. So it's like apple in the middle. Wow, that looks so good. Alisa is having the same as babe, and Tyler is having the pineapple. That looks so good, guys. Yes. You're gonna tell Mama how it is.
I don't know how to eat.
You have your fork here. This sea of people going in all different directions just always gets me every time I come to this place, especially in high hours of the evening when people is going home from work.